What if I told you that there's a surefire way to convert your casual browsers into lifelong clients for your, well, maybe executive coaching services? So brace yourselves, because today we're going to be diving into the magic of the value ladder strategy. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to transform how you market your coaching services and reel in those clients one step at a time. And trust me, if you skip this, you miss out on doubling, tripling, or even 5xing your lifetime value of your clients. So stick around, and together we're going to find out how you can start applying this today and change the entire trajectory of your business. So, ever heard of the value ladder? It's not just any sales tactic. This is the game changer that companies use to build trust and, most importantly, keep clients glued to them. What are the stakes? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand why not having a value ladder strategy could be one of the biggest mistakes that you're making for your business right now. Miss it and you're leaving heaps of cash on the table. I'm not kidding. So let's get down to business. All right, the value ladder optimization. This is your roadmap to transforming casual interest into committed repeat business. Let's use an executive coaching business, your forte, as an example here. You want to capture your client's journey from initial contact to becoming a loyal advocate, guiding them up the ladder of offerings, one step at a time. Ready? Here's how it works step by step. First up is your free offer. This is your initial hook, no strings attached, and the way to provide value and demonstrate your expertise. So if you're an executive coach, for example, this could be a free ebook, something like the top 10 leadership mistakes and how to avoid them, or free executive assessment tool. You're easing potential clients into your world and giving them a taste of what you can offer without any monetary commitment. So create a practical, informative ebook, checklist, quiz, assessment tool that speaks directly to your target audience's pain points. Again, pain points. Promote this free offer not only on your main website or landing pages, but use this as a key link that are used throughout your social media post. Next, we're going to slide into the intro offer. This is a low-cost option that continues to nurture trust while providing even more value. For your coaching business, this could be a workshop that's called Mastering Leadership Communication, or maybe it's a mini course on building high-performance teams. So you're solving a problem thoroughly now and showing the clients benefits of committing a bit of their budget to your expertise. You do this by developing a workshop or mini course priced between $50 and maybe $300 that builds on the value you provided in your free offer. So market it aggressively to those who've engaged with your free content. This is the nurturing I'm talking about. Now, lead offer. Here's where things get interesting on the lead offer. At this stage, you're asking for more of a significant financial commitment while providing greater value. In your executive coaching business, let's stick to that example. This could look like a detailed leadership audit with actionable recommendations, or even a one-on-one strategy session focused on improving leadership skills. This stage is about demonstrating your high-level expertise and setting the stage for your premium services. So you could design a solid mid-price service or consultation that offers high value and actionable insights. Promote it by following up with clients who have purchased your intro offer, showing them how your lead offer can take their leadership skills to the next level. Now, the bullseye offer. This is the main event. This is your high-ticket service, like a comprehensive executive coaching package that includes everything from personalized coaching sessions to leadership development plans and even retreats. It's where you pull out all of your stops to show your clients' biggest challenges right back to them. So you could package your ultimate service offering in the way that it's too good to resist, especially to those who've already started climbing the ladder. They're already so far up, actually. Make it clear that this service provides the best results and the ultimate transformation. Finally, we have the loyalty offer. This step is all about extending the relationship and maximizing lifetime value. Say for your executive coaching business, this can mean offering ongoing retainer services for leadership development, adding a membership with exclusive content, or setting up annual workshops. You can create ongoing service packages or membership options that provide continuous value to them, touching on their pain points and reaching out to solve their dream desired outcome. Now, reach out to those satisfied clients from the Bullseye offer and show them how the loyalty offer can keep their professional development on track. So imagine this, just a few months from now, clients who started by reading your free ebook have moved through your ladder, gradually building into bigger and pricier services, ultimately becoming loyal advocates of your brand. You've built trust along every step, and now you're reaping the rewards with a steady stream of high-value clients. Sounds great, right? All right, are you ready to get started with your entire value ladder offer setup? If you click the link in the description, I have a really in-depth masterclass that breaks down all the steps of building your value ladder and how you can start implementing every single component into your offer, how to find the competition, how to understand what their offer strategy is. These are all key components that you'll need and every business uses to get to that next level. So let's recap the steps here. The free offer grabs their attention. The intro offer keeps them engaged. The lead offer showcases your expertise. The Bullseye offer delivers your premium service. And finally, the loyalty offer cements long-term relationships. See what all ties together there? This isn't just a strategy, it's a systematic approach to owning your coaching landscape. Now, if you're still curious on more of this info, I have additional videos here which are going to pop up, which I want to share with you on how you can map out not only your funnels, your online strategy, your social content, all the above, that way you can master your craft online. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment below, tell me what kind of coaching business you have and what you're looking to learn. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and go check out that masterclass. It is well worth it. All right, take care. Peace out.